This simple eye technique is a game changer for hooded eyes. Let me show you the full tutorial. When I look straight ahead, my lids are almost invisible because of the extra skin that covers them. But there is a makeup technique that creates a lifted look without surgery. It starts with under eye stickers. Today I'm using this from Shein. Only the top part glues to the skin, minimum irritation, sharp line, and it protects from fallout. Always use eyeshadow primer. It controls oil, prevents creasing, and makes your eyeshadow more pigmented and long-lasting. I am using Revolution Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer, the drugstore dupe for Urban Decay. I am using neutral 16 color palette by Beauty Bay. With a blending brush, I'm taking this very light beige matte all over the lid. This opens the eye, extends the lid, and gives us a big canvas to work with. Now mixing these two light brown top shades. I'm placing the brush higher than my natural crease to create a faux crease. Blend with gentle strokes, also in outer V. Keep blending until it's smooth. With a flat brush, mixing two darker mattes for that. Gently tap and pack into the crease and outer V. Light strokes, we want that pigment to stay. Taking the crease brush again and gently blending over the dark color for a smooth finish. Now shimmer. With a dumb finger, I'm pressing this champagne shade into the inner corner and center of the lid to open the eye. Eyeshadow done. For the ultimate lift, I'm using this Primark brown eyeliner pen. Drawing a long, high wing first using the sticker as a guide, then the upper line, then filling in. This creates that lifted effect. Brows are crucial for lifted eyes. Using Essence Brow Powder, lighter shade in front, darker in back. Filling slightly above my natural brow. Then setting with brow gel for extra lift. My lashes are sparse and short, and as we age, sagging eyes cause them to grow downward. So I'm curling them first with this Catrice curler, then a few coats of Primark brown mascara for volume and length. Makeup done. Look at that difference. The eye with makeup is so much more open and lifted. Try this technique and let me know how it works for you. Subscribe for more and see you soon. Bye.